Be ready? Start. Fundamental rights are those rights which are essential for intellectual, moral, and spiritual development of citizens of India. As these rights are fundamental or essential for existence and all round development of individuals, they are called fundamental rights. These are enshrined in Part 3, Articles 12 to 35 of the Constitution of India. These include individual rights common to most, such as equality before the law, freedom of speech, and freedom of expression, religious and cultural freedom, freedom of assembly, freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies for the protection of civil rights by means of writs such as habeas corpus mandamus, writ of prohibition, and quo warranto. Fundamental rights apply universally to all citizens, irrespective of race, birthplace, religion, caste, sexual orientation, gender, or gender identity. The Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, and other laws prescribe punishments for the violation of these rights, subject to the discretion of the judiciary. Though the rights conferred by the Constitution, other than fundamental rights, are also valid rights protected by the judiciary. In case of fundamental rights violations, the Supreme Court of India can be approached directly for ultimate justice as per Article 32. The rights have their origins in many sources, including England's Bill of Rights, the United States Bill of Rights, and France's Declaration of the Rights of Man. There are six fundamental rights recognized by the Indian Constitution: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. The right to equality includes equality before the law, the prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sexual orientation, gender or gender identity, and or place of birth, equality of opportunity in matters of employment, the abolition of untouchability, and abolition of titles. The right to freedom includes freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association or union or cooperative movement, residence, and right to practice any profession or occupation. The right against exploitation prohibits all forms of forced labor, child labor, and trafficking of human beings. Children under age of 14 are not allowed to work. The right to freedom of religion includes freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion, freedom to manage religious affairs, freedom from certain taxes, and freedom from religious instructions in certain educational institutes. The cultural and educational rights preserve the right of any section of citizens to conserve their culture, language, or script, and right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. The right to constitutional remedies is present for enforcement of fundamental rights. The right to privacy is an intrinsic part of Article 21, the right to freedom that protects the life and liberty of the citizens. The right to privacy is the newest right assured by the Supreme Court of India. It assures the people's data and personal security. Fundamental rights for Indians have also been aimed at overturning the inequalities of pre independence social practices. Specifically, they have also been used to abolish untouchability and thus prohibit discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. They also forbid trafficking of human beings and forced labor, a crime. They also protect cultural and educational rights of religious establishments. Right to property was changed from fundamental right to legal right.